a whole lot of trying just to get up that hill.